Hello guys, I'll show you how you can download suitable Android Studio software for your operating system. First, you need to go to browser and go to google.com and type download Android Studio. So it will suggest you to some links. So go for first link. So this link will take you to developer.android.com. So here go to main download menu, and here you can see download button and download Android Studio button. So here you can see 3.5.1 and Linux 64-bit. So the website automatically detected my operating system and suggesting me to download this software. If you have any other operating system like Windows, so you can go for this link, and you can download the appropriate Android Studio software, 64-bit or else 32-bit, and Linux version 64-bit. So I have Ubuntu 18.04 64-bit, so I will download this software. So by clicking this button, you can download the software. So I'm not downloading again because I have already downloaded the software. So I'll go to downloads folder. So yeah, this is a software, download it, and you can extract this software to the installation location and you can install it. Thank you for watching.